Karen. Welcome to Stitch in Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters, and welcome to Winter Glamping, designed by Pearl Louise Designs. In your month one package, which you should have received, you were going to have your handy dandy pattern, your fabric key, and also in month one, look at your beautiful fabrics. When you get these fabrics, you want to pick up your little pieces and carefully punch them. These are your laser cut pieces. When you're going to applique them, be sure to use a dry iron. And there's photos included for you to use as a guide. This collection has been a hit here, and this makes up to the most adorable quilt. Also in your package, you're going to have your Winter Glamping welcome letter. In your welcome letter, it will tell you that it will bill on the 18th of every month. This program is 7 months long, and inside you have a beautiful picture of your quilt, a QR code to your Facebook group. We have a very active Facebook group. Please be sure to join our community. Post pictures, watch for tips and tricks along the way. If you hit a hiccup, post it in the Facebook group. I'm sure you're going to get an answer. If you need to have a fabric key, if you've lost your fabric key, save this letter, use your QR code, and we'll help you out. If you need to subscribe to the newsletter, give us a shout out, subscribe to our newsletter. As with always, you'll be wanting to finish this in time for the holidays. If you need to, keep your billing updated, and there's also a QR code there. If you've missed Winter Glamping, be sure to go to our website. Click on the Block of the Month tab, and you will see our entire selection of our Block of the Month programs. Now, Winter Glamping is very popular, so if you missed it and you just love it and have to have it, be sure to watch our website, because I can almost guarantee it's gonna come again. Take care, y'all. See you soon. Bye.